Hey, what's up YouTube? We just made it to the job site. Looks like we got a little bit of dry rot repair to deal with today. There's a landing. You go up a flight of stairs and there's a wood landing. And that wood landing is all rotted out, dried out. So what we're going to do is tear that all apart, replace it with new pressure treated 2x6x8 wood, paint it, and be on our way. So let's get this thing done because it's a major safety concern. Alright, stay tuned. Here it is, guys. So you go up this flight of stairs and there's this wooden landing. Now it looks pretty good from the outside, but all this stuff right here is all rotted out. So what we're going to do is tear some of this up, replace the 2x6x8s, and be on our way. But that is no bueno. Hey guys, whew, that was some hard work. So here's some common tools. These are the tools I used for the job. Of course, you got the hammer. I use just a regular hammer. We have a super bar, crew bar. Got a nail puller. Straight edge. Tape measure. And the materials we used today were 3-inch 10D common nails. This is used for construction, carpentry, and framing. These are 3-inch long, and the wood we used was 2x6x8 pressure treated wood. That's what we used for the landing, and looks like it came out pretty good. Let's take one quick look at it.